Let's see the next question. Write first 4 terms of the AP. So we need to write first 4 terms when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Before write the first 4 terms of AP, first we need to find out how the arithmetic progression looks. It looks first term is A and second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D, and keep on like that. The first A is 10, D is 10. A is 10, so let's write A as 10, that is our first term. And then second term is A plus D, that is 10 times 10, which is 20, so that is our second term. The third term is A is 10 plus 2 times D is 10, 20 plus 10, which is 30, so that is our third term. Now write for the fourth term, which is A plus 3D. So A is 10 plus 3 times D is 10, so 3 times 10, which gives 30, 30 plus 10, which gives 40. So these are the first 4 terms for the first question 1. Now let's write for the second question, which is A is minus 2 and D is 0. So A is minus 2, then the second term is minus 2 plus 0, which gives only minus 2. The third term is A is minus 2 plus 2D, so 2 times 0, which gives only 0 here, so the third term is minus 2. So the fourth term also A is minus 2 and plus 3D, 3D is 3 times 0, which gives 0 only, so we left only minus 2 here, so the fourth term also minus 2. So these are the first 4 terms of the second question. Third question, which is A equal to 4, D is minus 3. So A is 4, just directly write 4. Then here A plus D, that is A is 4 and D is minus 3. 4 minus 3, which gives 1. That is our second term. Then here A plus 2D. So A is 4 plus 2 times D is minus 3. So 2 times minus 3, which gives minus 6. 4 minus 6, which gives minus 2. Then A plus 3D. So the A value is 4 plus 3 times D is minus 3. So 3 times minus 3, which gives minus 9. 4 minus 9, which gives minus 5. So these are the first 4 terms of an AP for the third question. Now let's see for the fourth question. A is minus 1, D is 1 by 2. So A is minus 1. So here write A is minus 1 plus D is 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus half, which gives minus half, isn't it? So just directly we can write this as a 1 minus 1 by 2. And here third term is A plus 2D. So third term is minus 1 plus 2 times D value is 1 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1, which gives 0. So the third term is 0. The fourth term is minus 1 plus 3 times D, which is 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2. If you take LCM here 2, then we are going to left only 1 by 2. So that is our fourth term. So these are the first 4 terms of an AP in the fourth, that is for our fourth question. Let's see the fifth question, which is A is minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25. So A is minus 1.25, that is our first term. The second term is A plus D, minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. That means you need to add both. So which gives minus 1.50. That is our second term. Now we need to find the third term, which is A plus 2D. So A is minus 1.25 plus what we have? We have 2D. So 0.25, if you do times 2, then we are going to get 0.5, isn't it? So here you have to write 0.5. So if you add these two, then we are going to get minus 1.75. That is our third term. The fourth term is going to be A plus 3D. So A is 1.25 plus 3D is, so for the D, if you multiply by 3, then we are going to get 0.75. If you add, then we are going to get minus 2 only. So the fourth term is going to be minus 2. So these are the first 4 terms of this fifth question. Let's see another question. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. The first term, that is very easy. You can see the first, this is the first term. So for this sequence, the first term is 3. So we can easily write which is 3. And the second question also, the first term is minus 5. And for the third question, the first term is 1 by 3. For the fourth question, the first term is 0.6. So we can easily write the first terms. That's very simple one. Now we need to find the common difference, that is nothing but D. We need to find D. How can you get D? Either you do the second term minus the first term, then you can get the common difference, or you can do A3 minus the third term minus the second term. Likewise you need to do. So for the first question, the second term is that which is 1. The first term is 3. So that is we are going to get minus 2 here. So let's check A3 minus A2. So that is A3 is minus 1. Then minus A2 is 1. Here also we are getting minus 2. So that means the common difference is same. So that's why for the first question, the common difference is minus 2. Now look at the second sequence. So here A is minus 5 and we need to find common difference. First, second, third, fourth. So here they give it 4 terms. So if you do A4 minus A3, that is A4 is nothing but the fourth term, which is 7. 7 minus the third term is 3. So 7 minus 3, which gives 4. Likewise, you need to check all the terms difference. So now we have to do A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 minus A2 is minus 1. So minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1, which gives 4. So here the difference is same and here the difference is same. That means here common difference is 4. Now check for the third sequence. Here the A is 1 by 3. So now we need to check common difference. Let's do A4 minus A3. So what is the fourth term? 13 over 3 minus what is the third term? 9 over 3. So if you take LCM here, so the LCM is 3. So 13 minus 9, which gives 4 over 3. Now let's check A3 minus A2. So what is the third term? 9 over 3 minus what is the second term? 5 over 3. So if you take LCM 3, so 9 minus 5, which gives 4. So here also we are getting the same, 4 over 3. So that means for the third question, the common difference is 4 over 3. Now let's check for the fourth sequence. The first term is 0.6. Now let's check for the common difference. Let's do A4 minus A3. So that is 3.9 minus 2.8, which gives 1.1. Now let's do A2 minus A1. That is 1.7 minus 0.6, which gives 1.1. Here the common difference are same. That means for the fourth sequence, common difference is 1.1. Likewise, you can find the first term and common difference, which is very easy. Let's go for the another question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference T. Write 3 more terms. So first, what you have to do first, we need to check is this forms an AP or not. So to form an AP, what you have to do, check the common differences. So A3 minus A2, A2 minus A1 or A4 minus A3. If these common differences are same, then we can say that it forms an arithmetic progression, isn't it? So if it forms an arithmetic progression, then we can write another 3 more terms. That is a given question. So let's check for the first given sequence. What they given? 2, 4, 8, 16. From here we can easily say that A value is 2. So let's do the difference. So this is the A4 and this is A3. So 16 minus 8, which gives 8 only. Now let's do A3 minus A2. That is 8 minus 4, which gives 4. Now let's do A2 minus A1. That is 4 minus 2, which gives only 2. Here the common difference are different. It's not same. That means, so this sequence does not form an AP. So if it forms an AP, then only you have to write 3 more terms. So here you simply write this as no, it does not form an AP. That's it. So let's check for the second question, which is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2.